How to add any music to your playlist on SoundCloud. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add any music to your SoundCloud playlist on SoundCloud app fast and easy. So let's say you are listening to this music, for example, right here. Now if you want to add it to your playlist, just go down and click on those three dots right here. Click on those three dots and you will find the option of add to playlist. Click on it and now choose the playlist that you want to add, or you can create one here, for example piano, and click save and click on the playlist that you want, and it will be added easy and fast. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.